Guys, this is Anton Brown, and we're live today at Don Schumacher Race Shop right here near Indianapolis, Indiana. Graduation is coming up for millions of high school students across the country, and if you're one of them, you might be trying right now how to figure out your next steps. And if you want to balance continuing education with getting into the working world more quickly, well, maybe even the racing world, then a skilled trade can be a great option for you to consider. And the best way to break into one of these trades is through hands-on training. We're talking about skilled trades. We're talking about things like electrical work, HVAC installation and repair, computerized manufacturing, welding, and of course, the auto and diesel industry. People with the skills to work with the high-tech equipment in these fields are always going to be in demand. And that means there can always be a job opportunities for you. In fact, the U.S. Department of Labor annually projects hundreds of thousands of jobs openings because there aren't enough workers in these skills to do the work. But when you train for a career, you're already putting yourself ahead of the competition. One of the great things about learning a trade is the ability to apply your skills to a wide range of these career paths. Take welding, for example. If you become a certified professional welder, you can land jobs working on infrastructure projects, constructing new buildings, helping to build valuable pipelines, building ships and aircrafts, and even doing chassis work and welding up our race cars from chromoly tubing, aluminum to titanium, right here at our DSR race shop. For a lot of people, learning a trade can mean turning something they always loved as a hobby into something that they get paid for to do as a career. Getting paid to do something you love, it sounds like success to me. I've been a racing fan for a long time, and I can remember that as I started as a fascination with cars and the engines that power them, now I'm making a living racing in the NHRA Camping World professional racing circuit. Maybe a career in racing is something you're passionate about, or maybe that's not your dream. Not a problem. There are so many different career options you can explore with the auto technology training, from working in dealerships and fleet maintenance facilities, and to managing service departments, and even having your own shop. We're talking rewarding, lifelong career paths where every day you're working with the tools and technology that drives you. So how do you get started? With hands-on training, we're learning from pros and working with the same kind of equipment used in the field. You want to start at a school that offers high-quality training programs and a commitment to student success and a proven track record of excellence? You'll find one of these schools not far from our shop here in Indianapolis, Indiana, Lincoln Tech. We're there to serve students from this region and around the country for more than 60 years, and Lincoln Tech has campuses across the country that offer skills training in automotive, diesel collision, and skilled trades. The Lincoln Tech crew has been an incredible supporters of me and my entire Matco Tools racing family. Today I want to tell you a little bit more about the school and the career paths you can open for yourself when you train there. If you want to get started as a professional on an NHRA team, there are a lot of different careers you can look into besides being a driver. And the automotive technology program at Lincoln Tech can help you build the skills that team managers want to see in the people they hire for our race teams. Working on our race team, we have many options, from the cylinder head department to the engine department to being a clutch assistant to being the head clutch guy to also building our blowers and doing all the electronical technology stuff on our race cars. Auto techs keep our performance machines running at the top level. Here in our shop, our guys are using all those same skills as we get ready for each race. But a career in racing doesn't have to begin with an auto technology diploma. There are many other ways to get involved in racing. The trucks and trailers that we haul our cars across the country need skilled, trained diesel technicians to maintain and repair them. Let's look behind me. If one of our haulers break down and our car can't get to where it needs to be, that spells major trouble of our entire team. No matter how careful we try to be behind the wheel, there's always going to be auto body work that needs to be done. As you see our car, from the carbon composite to our fiberglass work, to also our sheet metal around the driver compartment, to also doing the titanium shields around our head shield, welding, putting out the dings, replacing the dents, taking them out, our auto body collisions are always going to be in great demand on our race team. Another path in our race industry is through the manufacturing. Computerized manufacturing equipment produces many of the parts we need to put our cars and race engines together, and even builds many of the tools that we use here inside of a race shop. These impressive machines are computer driven, but they can't program themselves. At Lincoln Tech, the Gene Haas Center for Advanced Manufacturing gives you hand-on experience learning to set up and program in CNC machines that are the leading revolution in American manufacturing. And if you thought manufacturing or factory work still means dark, dirty conditions and loud, unsafe facilities, you definitely need to take a second look at what's going on in today's manufacturing. It's clean, safe, and state-of-the-art technology advancements for people with the necessary skills. Before you know it, you'll be a high school graduate with the whole world in front of you. It can seem overwhelming, but if you make a plan now, you'll be better prepared when that time comes to take advantage of all these exciting, rewarding career paths. It won't take a 4-year college degree to make it happen. If you're ready to put the work and commitment in yourself and develop a professional mindset, you can do it just like I did. Remember, the only thing that beats resistance is persistence. And that's my mindset. I will and I can, and I know you can do it. All these fields we looked at today offer entry into the world of professional racing or into one of the millions of jobs the government projects that is going to open across the country in the coming years. You might hear that there aren't many jobs out there, but that's simply not true. There are jobs out there, and the training you need is here, and it's at Lincoln Tech. And remember, Matco Tools is partner to give you all the tools you need to be successful in life here at Lincoln Tech. And you can hit the ground running in a career path that was made for you and be successful. And it only happens here at Lincoln Tech. What are you waiting for?